to change our lives. I'm the light. Oh, we are the future. We are the world. We need the light that leads our life. I'm the light. Give us a future, the knowledge is far. Watch us take over, future bright. I'm the light. Give us a future, the knowledge is far. Watch us take you to a future bright. I'm the light. We are the future, we are the world. We need the light that leads us. We need the change, we need the light. We need the light to change our lives. I'm the light. We are the future, we are the world. We need the light that leads our life. I'm the light. Give us a future, the knowledge is far. Watch us take over, future bright. I'm the light. Give us a future, the knowledge is far. Watch us take you to a future bright. I'm the light.
Hi, welcome everyone. Good morning, and welcome to the day second of this training program. Thank you all the DTHL coordinators for making the students join the session, and all the DTHL coordinators for making the students join the session. And let's begin because today's session is very important. We are let's begin because today's session is very important. We are stepping into the advanced digital concepts, and our today's topic is about artificial intelligence. Now, as the name says, because this is very fascinating topic in trending world, everybody is clueless what is the power of AI, what is the AI all about, and how the AI. So today in the today's session we'll try to explore what is the real world relevance of AI, what are different types of AI, what is the domains of AI, and we'll also try to understand about the real world examples. That means what are the positive side of AI and what is the negative side of AI. All right. So at end we can have the quiz where we wanted you to participate in the quiz. Right. So as you can see this screen where we can talk about, there are five important topics in this advanced digital particular concept, and our topic which is mainly here is about basics of artificial intelligence. That's what is the right now today's topic, and likewise, there is a next day is about the concept of data science and then financial literacy. All are future ready important topics. So, as you all aware, this is the foundation course where we can try to explain you the basic concept of this entire terminology, so that in your student journal you can actually maintain a important terminology for the future. And ultimately, we can build upon this because there are like 5 years of training programs, the courses are there, so when the students pass out from the schools and colleges they are future ready. So that's what is the intention of this entire thing. Let's begin. So today, about this understanding the AI concept, we are going to emphasize on uh, the complete history and future of AI, the what is machine learning. So these are the important areas which I think today you all will have the concept clear. So I think you can make in notes which is important points going to be explained in today's session. Okay, before I discussed with you about this answers which is going to come, but before me telling the answer, you started applying your mind, right? What is the things which is helping you out in getting this answers of both situation, right? The answers definitely is we call as a intelligence, right? So this is a factor which is helping you out to solve any problem. Okay, maybe in the childhood we have studied about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, but when you see the word today, you can easily, your brain easily recognize, okay, this is written as intelligence on the screen. So how we are able to recall how our neural networks are going to work out, how it gets recognized, and how it solves the problem which is coming in front of us. Okay, that's what is the human. That's why the human is so popular, and we have got this kind of intelligence. Not only human, I think different species has got this intelligence. The different intelligence everybody has got it. So intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge to adapt to. Okay, allow me a second. I'm just trying to check it out. Okay, I just have got some feedback. That's why the certain correction was required. That was done. I hope the things are fine now. And let me try to explain you the concept right now. Okay, let me just go back to the concept to screen and explain you. Okay. So yes, we were discussing about the artificial intelligence, and we discussed about like giving a brain to a computer because computer don't is not able to think a lot. So it allows the machine to think and learn like humans. For examples, when you talk to Siri or Alexa, you are using the AI. So humans has less computational power, but more multitasking, and AI has limitation for that. So let me show you the formal definition of AI. You can just read this. Now, there is no actually in the different areas that different definitions are available for AI, but main thing is like providing a brain to a computer, where computer can be programmed in such a way they can start thinking and giving you the result. So to understand this concept in little detailed manner, we can talk about this devices, right? So when we have got this is also like a computer, right? So when we have this kind of devices, this is the modern like Amazon. We have got this Alexa, and what Alexa is doing, Alexa is able to communicate. We give the instruction, and we ask the Alexa to play a song of my favorite choice, and Alexa is playing the song. Ultimately, what has happened? It is started thinking and checking my past preferences and giving me the output. Okay, so the decisions Alexa is able to take it. Not only that, the different examples like you have seen this, the Google search, Google Lens, or Microsoft Copilot. These are the AI, generative AI examples where they all use the natural language processing, and what it does is it is start communicating with the humans, and it will start giving them the personalized solution. Same examples with this kind of self-driving cars, which you can see it. So what self-driving car is also doing now? Self-driving car is also able to detect what are things are there on the way, and it is able to uh, take a decisions. It has analysis power. It takes the decisions that where they have to go, and all the objects which is there because of that kind of rays which is going to be reflected, the special kind of rays which is going to get reflected, it works on that angle, and it every times in every signal based on the traffic, the system is keep on learning. The programming is done in that way. Now, likewise, we can see the examples of our daily use when we talk about if we go for any kind of shopping website or e-commerce website, we have seen that, right? That it is giving us the recommendation, it giving us the personalized information. That means computer has started talking to us by its own. That means last time if I searched for any kind of good shoes, that kind of shoes are going to come up, that kind of shoes are there which is going to be part of it, right? So now if that is the situation about this entire thing, uh, we'll try to understand about machine learning now, because this is the concept of the overall artificial intelligence, that we are making the computer to start thinking and giving us the result more personalized, and computer can solve the problem of us. Okay, but how it all happens, the key area to success, the way we can program a computer, is the machine learning approach. Okay, so if I talk about the machine learning, it's a part of the AI system. It's like teaching a computer to learn from experience. That means the programs which we are going to write for the computer, that means the software like Copilot or Chat GPT, these are all programs when we are writing it out. We are trying to make sure that just like how you learn from your homeworks, like as students, same way computer can learn from the past experience and start giving us the response in more personalized manner. So machine learning is again a subset of the AI that involves training algorithm to learn from and make prediction based on data. Instead of being explicitly programmed, machine learning system improves their performance over time as they are exposed to more data. Now, maybe there is a definition, maybe little we are not able to understand, but I just explain you with the help of one example. Okay, uh, think about this example. Her name is Jasleen. Now, Jasleen is able to read, write, and speak Punjabi language from the childhood because in her home, mother has taught her like this. In the school, she is in the Punjab, so she's learn about more about the Punjabi culture and she know about the language of Punjab. Other student whose name is Vidya, she can read, write, and speak the Tamil language because they are trained like that from the childhood. Because AI, when we are trying to understand in one way, we are training a machine. So right, same way, the humans are also trained like that. So example, this Jasleen example, she can speak fluent Punjabi, but when Vidya will come and talk to Jasleen, definitely there is a barrier. Jasleen may not understand because it is not it is out of his scope experience for Jasleen, right? And that will create this kind of problems. So, one more example. Just try to understand this more example because this example is very important to understand the concept of machine learning. One more example in front of you is like this. Let's say this is Arya who plays a very good volleyball, but his sports teacher has also enrolled in the chess competition. Maybe he is not aware anything about the chess. So what will happen? He will not be able to play because he's trained on volleyball. He's played a lot of matches in volleyball, so he's trained in that. Ideally, what has happened? Machine learning is the method where one machine can be trained to do a specific task. Okay, so the examples which we have seen it, whether it's a self-driving cars or whether it is the chat GPTs, they all are trained to do a specific task. They cannot go beyond that. They cannot start doing multitasking, right? So these all happens because of the machine learning approach. We are training the machine for doing the specific purpose, right? So how exactly these things are happening is example, if it is an example self-driving cars, the programming is done basically for the purpose of, or Alexa is there, it is trained for maybe helping us in connecting the sound system, connecting the electricity fans. There are a lot of things which Alexa is able to connect with us. Uh, that is the main thing of machine learning for you. Now, artificial intelligence is much broader concept than the machine learning. Machine learning is for a targeted thing, like how I given the example of Jasleen and other thing. But what if Jasleen has to communicate to Vidya, if Jasleen is going to, because Jasleen is a human, right? What humans can do? Humans can do multitasking, as I told you. Jasleen can start investing on learning process, and Jasleen can take examples of lot of examples from the real world, and she can also start learning the languages like Tamil or Bengali or multiple things. She can put a effort, and maybe within 1 week or within 1 month or within 1 year, Jasleen can learn Tamil and she can start communicating again. That's the power of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is after the machine learning. If machine is become so intelligent that it can start doing multitasking, it can be trained for that purpose, right? So if I show you this example, real artificial intelligence still is, we all are waiting to come. Okay, there are components of AI which is used in our daily lives, but this is just like a I step. There is a broader version of AI is going to come where AI can think, AI can do multitasking. Okay, not only on one machine, it can do on multiple machine. So artificial intelligence definitely works on the machine learning algorithm and works on the neural networks and generative models. And like a human can actually, if humans are trained, they can do a multitasking. They can learn multiple languages. They can play multiple sports. Same way, AI can be also adapted to do this all changes, right? So now, if I explain with help of some of the activity to make you understand about the AI and machine learning, understand with compare AI with the regular technology, that how the regular technologies are used and how the elements of AIs are used there to make it more intelligent. Okay, so for example, let me give you an example of regular technology. Let's say the PowerPoint presentation. So when we know about this PowerPoint presentation, we know it is a regular technology where how we can write it, how we can design it, it will give me the same output, right? This is a PowerPoint presentation. I can provide artificial intelligence presented by Prashant Jha, and then I can create a new slide, right? Ultimately, what is happening? We are able to create a multiple items, and this is the technology, right? It is helping us to create this kind of technology, the information which is there. But how AI infuse here is now example in Microsoft PowerPoint. The moment I have written Apple, it automatically designed and added Apple in the presentation. So what happened? It becomes little intelligent. System is able to start thinking and putting the item here. So it is again a machine learning concept, but it is again machine learning again is a subset of AI. That's why we call as it's a AI part. Now that's one of the example. Same way, the AI has become powerful. Also, this example of one image, I'll just show it to you. Let's say let's say I'm going to open a new college, and the college, we wanted to have a photo shoot of the students to be done. Ideally, what was happening, I have to hire a photographer, I have to book for one day, and then photography should happen, and then we can, the cost of photographer, the cost of editing, the cost of putting in the brochure is lot. But now AI is able to, I'll just show you this image. This is the image of AI generated. Okay, this can happen in any of the generative AI platform, whether we use Chat GPT or Copilot. If we give a prompts like generate a realistic image of a human, it can start generating for you. Okay, it generates you. The moment you give a prompt like I want to generate a human generated image, which can be used. Um, Thing is, it has become so powerful here that these images are real helpful. Like you can see that it looks so real because it goes to the variety of sources. It picks up eyes from somewhere. It chooses the background from somewhere. It makes a unique image for me. And this image I can use without having much copyright issues. I can use it on my brochures and many things. See, that's the reason I'm telling you. It is trying to take over. The people is having the fear that how the AI is going to take over the job of the people. It is somewhere like this. It is going to take over the job of the people in this way. Now, let me share you this screen. I will just reshare my screen. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. I think there was some messages was coming in between. I hope the things are fine. Let me just reshare it. Okay, I was giving you the examples of this particular example of this image which was generated here, and we were mentioning about how this AI is able to generate this part of an image, and the companies like OpenAI, who has started with the generative AI and the concept, they had the team of 200 member. They also thought about, and there is a statement from one of the engineer of OpenAI that AI, when it start growing up, it will start taking the job of blue collar people. Then it is the white collar people, and then creative jobs. It will become popular. This was a statement the 3 years back only. But blue collar jobs is like what is happening now is the prediction is going in the opposite direction, because the first target is becoming the creative jobs. This kind of images which is generated by the AI is definitely going to be alarming factor for all the photographers, graphic designers, a lot of people. But there is a solution. There is a solution for it. We really don't know what is the power of AI today, but still we can understand about this thing. How it is going to generate, how we can actually start using the AI tools to make our work more easy. Some kind of particular games are there which is helping you to understand how this machine learnings are happening. We know about these games like rock paper and scissor, and with this we can try with some kind of combination, and things are playing around. We play with the human mind, right? Example, if I put a rock, you will put as a paper, and likewise we can understand what is the next value a person is going to do it. So that kind of which we play with the humans and we try to analyze, the same way AI is also going to analyze this entire thing. Just wanted to show you one game which is a very popular game like Akinator, which thinks about searching about the minds of the people. Now I am just going to play a game of Akinator in, let's say, with my any of the AI platform in my mobile phone. Just wanted to show you that how this things work. Then we'll go to a decision tree in machine learning process. Okay, this is my mobile phone, and I'll try to ask. Let's play Akinator.
Sure, let's play. I'm thinking of something, and you can ask yes or no questions to guess what it is. Go ahead with your first question.
Right, you can hear it, right? How exactly it is being played. So this is working on our natural language processing. So hey, let's play Akinator. You can ask me the question, and I am thinking about the object.
Got it. Let's start. Is the object you're thinking of something that is commonly found indoors?
Yes.
Is it something that you can use for entertainment?
No.
Is it something that you can find in the kitchen?
No.
Is it something that you use for work or school?
Yes.
Is it an electronic device?
Yes.
Is it a smartphone?
No.
Is it a laptop?
Yes.
Great. So the object you're thinking of is a laptop. Did I guess it right?
Yeah, you guessed it right. Thank you.
Awesome. That was fun. If you want to play again or do something else, just let me know.
Now you can see that how I'm playing with Akinator game with a AI device, because the languages they are able to understand. I can play in any language, English, Hindi, the English, Hindi, and any regional language which is supported. I can play this game, which can read the mind, and they can start guessing how it is happening, how this machine learnings are helping us. This all depends on the algorithm, or I'm just giving a fundamental that about the decision tree which we are using it. For example, this is my thought process, like the social media applications which we are having it. That different age restriction people can only use it as per that. But right now in the social media platforms, this kind of systems are not there which can allow you to only age groups, because we always go and we give a fake date of birth and we create an account on the social media. But when we have to create a decision tree, when we have to program a AI engine on the social media, maybe these things can stop. So I'm just giving a ideas which can help us in understanding that how this programming can happen. Let's say we have to do the programming for this purpose. What we will be doing it. Let me show you. So if we have to program for this purpose, ideally, I am thinking to train a model. That means maybe in future the Facebook can use, or Instagram can use, or YouTube can use, where they ask for the date of birth. Instead of date of birth, let's say, I'm just giving example, if they ask for the birth certificate or Aadhaar card or something, when it can scan, it will auto detect, and based on the age, it will allow the person to create account or not. That's a imagination. Now, in this imagination, how this machine learning will work, let us explain it to you. So we will use example the Python language, which we can try to help in doing the coding. Just trying to show you some of the if and else condition. So example, if age is greater than or equal to 18, we can use the LinkedIn. If age is greater than or equal to 16, we can use the Instagram. If age is less than or equal to 13, we can use the Facebook, or before less than 13, not eligible for social media platform. This is the if else condition, normal if else condition, right? Now, I'll just show you that how the AI system works when we have to design in a form of a decision tree. So this is one of the area which AI engineers are doing this decision tree. Now I have just played the game of Akinator. It was on if and else. They are asking question: if I'm right, if I'm no, give me the other option. If I'm yes, then they are going into the deep dive until I come to the leaf node. So same examples here. How it is happening? You can see this. This diagram you can also make it on your system. There is a decision tree where it talks about we can start in the machine. Let's say the document of Aadhaar card or document of birth certificates, it is asking on the platform to upload it with some security in the future, with some confidentiality on the system. So if that is getting uploaded on the system, it may ask us that it may go and detect what is the date of birth. If it is less than 18, then definitely it will go for the LinkedIn. If it is not 18, then LinkedIn definitely will not come. If it is 16, it will go to the Instagram or it goes to the Facebook. If it is less than that, 13, it goes to the not eligible to social media usage. And based on this decision, which is in the decision tree, the system will react and give me the system will become intelligent and give me the right advice of what to use, what not to use. Right? So this is the way the algorithms are, one of the algorithms can be written, and this is how it has been done. So with if and else condition, whichever questions we interact, it is keep asking technology, the system train itself. Okay. So this was just a fundamental that how AI is able to predict the answers, how it has been programmed, and just given you one small brief example of it. Now, based on the data, it is categorized into three important domains. Okay, the first domain is called computer vision, the natural language processing, and data science. There are many other domains also are available, but these three are the which we need to learn the foundation level or understand the foundation level. Understand this. Number one is the computer vision, which helps the computer to see. Like example, as a human, we have eyes. Through eyes, we are able to see, right? Same way, computer has got a computer vision, which they can use to see the image. And some examples which you can see it is like the programs which is done on the computer vision is you can click on the Google, you can open the mobile phone Google and click on the lens. You click any image with the lens, it will detect and it will find out whether it's a plant, whether it's an animal, anything. You click any dress photo, it will help and search on the internet and tell you what exactly this item is all about. Some examples are in the photos are available like in the photos are available like some items in the photos which is available for you is like I'm just giving the photos which is available for you is like I'm just giving you one more example here. More example here. Okay, some more examples you can see here is in the computer vision is about this the photos. Like example, you open the Google Photos and you are able to find out in the Google Photos the images which is coming up it is all organized, that what is spec, what is cake, what is. So this also use the technology of computer vision. That's why it is applied. Some more examples like screen. So this also I'll just show you on this example. Okay. Now in this example, if we can, okay, in this examples also, if we can see it, we will understand about how it has been done. And they can easily use that. Now, that's the thing. And so in future, when students wanted to go for the MI, like AI and machine learning courses, these are the job profiles which is in demand in every sector, whether it's IT, healthcare, everywhere. Um, the today AI engineers and machine learning engineers are in demand. People are looking for such profiles who are able to design that machine and system design. They can do it. Data scientists. These are the upcoming, like next 5 years at least. These jobs will be in trending position. So I think with that, I think when you go through this kind of concept and understand this concept, like what are the following is the application of AI: remote control drone, self-driving car, self-service kiosk, self-watering plant system. What is the application of AI? So definitely remote control drone is controlled again for the machine learning purpose, but self-driving car is the real application of AI because it's an intelligent system. The language is easy to learn and is the most popular language of AI today. C++, Python, Ruby, Java. Definitely, this Python is the one language which I can tell it is important for today to start for AI career. This field is enabling computer to identify and process image as humans do. Face recognition, computer vision, and eye in eye hand concept. So as I told you, this is the main domain. Computer vision, many careers are developed on this. People are training the computers. What does NLP stands? Natural language processing. Which of the following is not a domain of artificial intelligence? Data management system, computer vision, natural language processing, and data science. Definitely the database management system. So I hope this clarifies your concept. And at the end, I really wanted to say about, because technology is changing so rapidly, so rapidly. We all have to equip ourselves and we have to use the AI as a tool, because AI is not replace the people, but people who use AI will replace people who don't. That's a former CEO of IBM statement. And our next topic, which we will be doing, is about the data science. And today's session, we have extended a little bit. Reason being that there was the technical glitches has happened between. We've been reported that some network glitches was there in the starting. So that's the reason we have extended it. Make sure that you can also watch the recording. Our next session is about data science, and I hope we all understand about the beauty of AI as a responsible citizen. AI will empower us to build a more inclusive, accessible, and sustainable world. That's what the dream of everyone, every citizen in the country. And that was also a statement of Mr. Satya Nadella, who is the CEO of Microsoft. So I hope you all have understood today what is intelligence, what is artificial, what is the meaning of artificial intelligence. And for making the artificial intelligence to work, machine learning importance is very much. What is machine learning? What is the scope of machine learning? Then when we understand about artificial intelligence, what is the domains of artificial intelligence, what is computer vision, what is natural language processing, what is data science, with some examples, and what are the future of AI, what are the consequences or bad factor of AI, and what if we wanted to have career and we have to use AI, we have to start from today. We cannot be in the denial stage. We have to be in the acceptance stage, that we cannot be out of scope of using AI, because AI is the future. And we have to use more and more AI tools so that we can be stay up to date with the technology. So that's a session for today. I hope you all have got the idea, fair idea.